Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is July 2nd, 2025, and we're analyzing Intel Corporation, ticker symbol Intel. We'll be taking a look at the current news surrounding Intel, along with a detailed technical analysis of its stock charts. Let's start by reviewing some of the recent news headlines related to Intel. Keybank National Association (OH) recently decreased its holdings in Intel, selling 105,315 shares. This indicates a slightly bearish sentiment from at least one institutional investor. Some headlines suggest Intel might kill its 18A chip technology in a bid for Apple and Nvidia business, which could significantly alter its future strategy. Intel also seems to be considering strategic shifts in its chip manufacturing strategy, including a major overhaul of its foundry business. Now, let's transition to the technical analysis of the Intel stock. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a period of significant volatility, especially around August 2024 when the price dropped dramatically to around $21 after a large drop. The stock has since struggled to regain its footing, trading mostly sideways with occasional rallies and pullbacks. In March 2025, we saw Intel trade at roughly $24, where the stock seems to find resistance and gets rejected. Zooming in on more recent price action, from March 2025 onward, we see a defined trading range between approximately $18 and $26. The price is currently trading near the lower end of that range, around $22.85 as of July 1st, 2025. If we filter the daily chart to show data since around March 1st, 2025, we can get a clearer picture of the current trading pattern. Examining the 1-hour chart might provide additional clarity on the short-term trends. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to check on that. If we narrow our view on the 1-hour chart to the period from June 11th through June 20th in 2025, we can check to see the intraday movements during the time frame. The daily chart had shown a $20.68 and a $21.19. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can identify some key intraday levels. The price seems to have found support around the $20.50 level and resistance near $21.18. Finally, if we change to the 15-minute chart from the last few trading days, we can try to predict where the price may try to head to. We saw the price rise on the 1st and then fall again on the 2nd. From the 15-minute chart, we can see prices consolidating around the $22.80 range as well. In summary, Intel stock is currently facing uncertainty. Key levels to watch in the short term include support around $22 and resistance around $23. A break above $23 could signal a potential bullish move, while a drop below $22 might lead to further downside. However, a break below could signal the stock testing lows all the way down to near the $20 range from earlier in the year. The likelihood of these events will depend on upcoming earnings reports, chip manufacturing updates, and also news headlines regarding the sector in general.